Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinars. For those who doesn't know, my name is Ramzi. I am the Head of Growth and Marketing at Finance Magnates Group. I'll be your moderator for this session today. Of course, I'm excited also to have Sergey here with me. He's a product owner at B2COPY, and he will be sharing some insight and his experience about PAMM and MAM and copy trading and how this can help you drive business growth. I will introduce him. I will let him to introduce himself in about a minute. But before I do that, Sergey, we have some very quick notes, house ruling. So this webinar, it will be about a 45 minutes, and we'll have a Q&A session at the end. So feel free to drop in your questions in the chat anytime during this presentation. And don't worry if we miss anything. Today's session is being recorded and will be available on demand afterward. We'll have to send a recording once it's available to everyone, and it will be available, of course, on Finance Magnates YouTube and social media channels. So please share today's webinar with me. Without any further ado, I will just say, let's get this conversation rolling. Sergey, thank you so much for being with us today. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about Sergey?
Yeah. Thanks everybody for coming. My name is Sergey and I'm head of B2COPY project in B2BROKER. I'm making PAMM and copy trading from, I don't know, past 18 years, I suppose. I've been 7 years trader in 2010 and 11. I was already working on PAMM accounts in Alpari. So I have experience like a trader itself, like self-trader. I have around 4 or 5 years experience in brokerage companies, and here I'm working in B2BROKER, making copy trading PAMM platform for past 9 years. Yeah, so I've been on all sides of that medals. Yeah, like a trader, like an employee of brokerage company, and like a service provider for the product. Yeah, so I hope I have pretty much good understanding from all points of view, and I want to share with you my opinion how the copy trading PAMM and MAM platforms can help your companies to grow, to attract more customers, to make bigger profits, bigger turnovers. So yeah.
Yeah, I was discussing off air before we start the webinar the extensive amount of years experience you have. It's, I mean, impressive, at least to say 18 plus and counting.
Yeah, just 2 years in my entire career. I wasn't involved in some projects or work in the brokerage area. Yeah, so I was a project manager in IT company. Okay. All other years in my experience, I was either trader or employee of brokerage company, product manager, yeah, or like head of product.
So you are from the industry and you know everything that to do with PAMM accounts. Thank you.
I cannot say everything, yeah, but I know something about it, yeah.
All right, you know what? Let's dive straight in to see what's all this buzz around copy trading market. According to, by the way, the latest intelligence report that we have on Finance Magnates, the FX and CFD sector, we saw a remarkable growth with about in the whole industry performance index. I think it was jumped about 28% just the first quarter of this year. And there was a lot of companies. I'm not going to mention name. You need to go and buy the reports, by the ways. Have watched their shares prices. I think it was double. There's a couple of companies. It was 100% growth rate. With these impressive stats, Sergey, what do you think is fueling this surge, this need in interest in copy trading?
It's a very good question. Can you allow me to share my screen?
Of course.
Thank you.
Sharing screen. There we go. Sharing screen.
Okay. So yeah, basically, that's like some sort of statistics which you can find on any of websites of regulated brokers, and even these screenshots were made in real internet. Yeah. So around 75 to 85% of all traders are losing their money. That's not because somebody is cheating. No, That's because if you want to earn some profits on a long position, you need to buy cheaper and sell higher, more expensive. And that means that when you buy, somebody sells to you. When you sell, somebody buys from you. It's impossible that everybody on the markets will earn. So that's why majority of people are losing their money. And if you see the Google trends currently, the online trading popularity is declining, because in early 2000s it was on top, because people were switching from like open outcry or just a very old fashioned brokerage business to online trading. It was booming because of internet adoption, high internet adoption. But the online trading has pretty big entry barriers, because you need to learn how to trade, you need to be disciplined, and etc. So you have a lot of things you must do, and you must do it through the time.
There's a very long list of checklists that you need to go through in order for you to become a successful trader.
I know hundreds of people, traders, but just few of them survive through 10 years, for example. So you must you must be super disciplined, you must have good strategies, and you must adopt to market changes through the time, because new instruments come in, sometimes like unexpected things happening, like crisis or financial crisis of 2007, or when Swiss bank just stops connecting Swiss franc rate to euro or something like that. Major things. So online trading trend, interest to it is declining, but people still want to earn on financial markets. They still have money to invest. So they found another options to it. So if you check the Google Trends, it's real statistics. You can just go to Google Trends.
I can vouch for that statistics, because I just shared with you how the industry is growing, which means there is a lot of traders losing 80%, 78%, according even to SciSec stats. We see that the traders are losing money, but still the industry itself is growing, and because of we see here there's a lot of popularity growth in copy trading and social trading.
It's on the top. It's on the top. Just because people doesn't need to have all these things. So you don't need to have a lot of time. It can be passive. You don't need to have a good discipline. Doesn't matter. You don't need skills. You can just it's much faster adoption to that products. It's much easier to sell. It's much easier to buy from just people's perspective. So that's why it's growing. But let's recap pretty much fast what the copy trading PAMM is. Because I'm not sure that everybody here experienced. By the way, you can just write in chat if you have some experience with copy trading PAMM or not. So we'll read it in chat later. So let's recap about copy trading PAMM and MEM. Copy trading, it works as it sounds. It's super simple. I will just show you the brief product demo, so you'll just understand how easy it is. But it works as it sounds. It's perfect product for retail business. It's perfect product for both signal providers and investors, because investor here is a boss. He goes to leaderboard, he finds the signal provider. If he likes his strategy, he follows, and he can follow several strategies within his account. If brokerage company allows him to change allocation methods, the formulas, he can do it. If not, he can change the risk ratio. I personally prefer when all positions in copy trading are copied proportionally by equity. It means that proportionally to sizes of accounts. If master has $1,000 and investor has $2,000 and risk ratio is 1, when master trades 1 lot, investor copies 2 lots. It's super simple, it's super intuitive, so it's great. And copy trading, it's like a super powered trading account. So you have your account, you can copy trades, but you also can trade on that account as well. So if you find an opportunity in NVIDIA stocks, Apple stocks, gold, Euro USD, whatever, you can open your own position on the same account. You don't need to split your money between 2 accounts. You can open position on the same account. And if you don't like position of master, of which were copied to your account, you can close it. Yeah, so it's like trading account, but with superpowers. PAMM accounts, it's a bit more passive way of investment accounts. Yeah, so here it works like investment fund. Yeah, so basically, as a brokerage company, you allow each of your clients to open their own hedge fund within your company. Yeah, so master opens his master account, investor joins, invest, and all money are collected on one big account where trader make his trades. And here you are not limited with any limitations of trading terminals. So master can open 0.01 lot, which is usually minimum lot available for symbols, and it will be distributed proportionally to sizes of accounts with bigger precision because we split it in our database. Yeah, so we are not limited with minimum symbol lot or something like that. So PAMM accounts works like investment fund. And mem accounts, basically, usually everybody who needs mem accounts, they know why they need it, because that is a kind of product which is made for professional money managers. Even copy trading investor is a boss. Here, master is a boss. So it doesn't matter either from leaderboard or manually, maybe broker just subscribes investor to a master, and then master has full control over the formula, how how a position lot will be calculated for copying to investor. Master can change risk ratio. Master can activate, deactivate copying to investment accounts. So the mem accounts, it's built on top of the copy trading principle, but for money managers, for professional money managers who want to control each and every aspect how trade will be copied to their investors.
Okay, can we go back to the PAMM account one more time for the slide?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So this one here, it's the same as proportional as the PAMM account. What's the difference between the two accounts?
No. PAMM account, we combine all the money of investors on the master account. Yeah, okay. So master trades a $1 million account, which consists of thousands of accounts with $1,000. Yeah, but here, master's money and investors' money are separated. So it's separate accounts with separate positions. Yeah, so mem accounts, it's more like copy trading, but where money manager has full control in his interfaces, how to copy positions to each of his investors. For example, he has 3 investors, yeah, and this guy, investor number 2, he doesn't want to risk after he earned 3% per month. So when he reached this 3%, master can stop, can just activate pause on his link and not copy new positions to his account.
Okay.
Yeah, so
they're more advanced than the PAMM account and the copy trading accounts.
Yeah, copy trading investors are bosses. Money manager cannot do anything there. He can just see that he has 500 investors, maybe $1 million of assets under management. That's it. He cannot control anything. Each investor individually control their accounts. They manage their positions. Yeah, in PAMM accounts, it's big fund. So nobody can do anything there. Yeah, in terms of managing positions, and mem accounts are built for professionals. It's
okay.
professionals. Yes,
I think this is a clear and very insightful. I think it's a breakdown pretty good. Sounds like copy trading market is doing pretty well. We saw the stats from there and the explanation that you give here about the difference of the 3 accounts. So maybe we go and speak about you guys, about B2Copy. See, can you walk me through what sets your platform apart from the others? Because we know that there is a many. We're not going to hide it. We know that there are a lot of other platforms who provide similar product. But what sets you apart? What's B2Copy is about?
Yeah, sure. Give me 1 sec. I will share my screen. Okay. So here it is. Basically, our platform, it goes best when you just buy also our B2 Core. It's like it's CRM, Traders Room, yeah, and it's fully integrated. But it's also possible to have it as a standalone when clients sign in here with their login and password to existing account, which was opened into your own CRM. So basically,
very quick, by the way, we did had a couple of webinars previously about B2 Core, so maybe you can go check on YouTube channel to see what it's about and how the platform look like. We already covered that B2 Core, and so this copy trading come as also in addition to that.
Yeah. So because both of our platforms products integrated seamlessly with each other, yeah. So your clients will also have seamless user experience between two different platforms, and it's super easy to navigate and to use when it's combined. But a lot of our customers, I suppose around 1/3 or half of them, they use another CRM providers. They have maybe their own or maybe from other service providers, and their clients can access our copy trading and PAMM platform through with their existing accounts. Yeah, so clients sign a login and password to MT5 account, and they access it and use this account as a signal provider or maybe like a wallet if it comes to PAM. So if it's our CRM, yeah, basically the following screens will be same for no matter standalone or full version. So everything starts for investors from the leaderboard. You can have different platforms, yeah, it's fine. You go to leaderboard, and what clients need? He needs to find the perfect master, yeah? So each master has a nickname. He can name a strategy, and investor goes inside. He checks the statistics, yeah? So we have different statistics. We can see here fees, chart, monthly returns.
How he's performing overall.
Yeah.
Losses,
everything.
okay.
Open positions, closed positions. So administrator can manage which columns and which sections will be visible for investors. So if he likes, he click follow. He can do it from here or he can do it from leaderboard, doesn't matter. If he likes, he click here, zoom, and he clicks subscribe. So investment account gets created immediately, and investor can make a deposit just right from here. So basically, after he clicks the deposit button, $2,000 goes from wallet to his investment account, and that's it. He starts copying trades. He doesn't need to go to any other pages, yeah? So it works from here. Then investor can go to his subscription page, where he can see all links between his account and master accounts, and he can manage his links. Usually, our clients doesn't show all the columns which we can show, yeah, because we make platforms for a lot of brokers, yeah, not just for one company. That's why we have a lot of options which you as a brokerage company can turn on or turn off. You can do.
So this is the back end, let's call it. Yeah, this one here.
Yeah. This is
by the broker.
This is the admin panel for the platform. And you can go here and just check how many settings for just show and hide you have in the platform. I will not go just one by one, but
yeah, of course. So here where you can control how the information that is shared with the traders and investor, where you can show the stats. For example, if I want to hide his most trading instrument, is that one of the options?
Yeah.
Most traded one. Yeah.
Yes, it should be somewhere here. Maybe instruments not.
Instruments
chart. Instruments chart. Yeah, you can hide it. Yeah, if we've hidden closed positions. Yeah. So you cannot see them, but we show open positions. But for that page, for subscriptions page, yeah, you can show and hide a lot of different other options like detached position, post copy, close position. Yeah, so each company can manage the set of settings for investors on their own, just in one click in admin panel. So it's super.
Once I assign the amount and start to follow, let's call it the investors, the money will be deducted from my trading account to.
No, you have your own account inside of MT5 or any other platform. This is the login of account. Yeah, your trading account. You have a login, and I've received email with login and password to my email box.
Yes.
So I can go to MT5 and see all positions of which I will copy there. So it's not like investments of $500 to this account. It's PAMM, but it's like my account where I copy positions from others, so I can manage them.
Nice. Okay, clear.
Yeah, and basically that was the end of the flow for investor. Yeah, because it's super simple. You go to leaderboard, you check the statistics, follow. If you need to unsubscribe. And as a master,
all in one dashboard. Everything is in one dashboard.
Yes.
You don't need to jump from dashboard to dashboard.
Yeah. And if you have followed somebody, you can even see inside of the leaderboard that the button was changed. Yeah, you see the button account, so you know that you are already subscribed to this account.
Okay, so if I'm a trader with a broker A, let's call it, right, and that broker A is already integrated with your copy trading platform that is connected to your B2 core. For a trader perspective now, okay, how I can access this and how it will be strategically working. I mean, how I will have access to
signal provider, or you want to copy trades?
I am a trader right now. Okay, I'm coming to a broker. I have a broker who's already working with you guys and integrated with you. Guys. How I will have access to this as a trader first?
As a trader first, you just register in client area. Yeah, just go through sign up process.
Yes.
Sometimes you need to go through KYC just to make a first deposit.
Okay.
Then you go to leaderboard. You click MT5. You click follow from here, from this page, or from inner page with statistics, and that's it. Voila.
That's it. Very simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Usually I take. I have 5-6 other steps I'm taking right now, and I know many of other people are doing the same.
You don't need these steps, yeah. I mean, like if it's your second, and if you want to subscribe to your second account, yeah, you already have investment account before created, so you can subscribe this account, or you can create a new account just from that page. You even don't need to go from leaderboard. If you know that account, if you know his statistics, it's your decision right now. You are making a decision to subscribe, yeah. You don't need to go to inner page. You can just subscribe from that page. You just click, agree with terms and conditions, and subscribe. It will be my second account. So, yeah, you create an account, you make a deposit, you go live. Super easy, super.
Now, how do one monitor the trades in this case?
You go here, view account,
yes.
And here you can see the list of masters to which your account is subscribed. And here you can see all your open positions. Once your position is copied to your account, you can see it here, and even you can close it from here. If you don't like it, you can close it from here. It's possible.
Amazing.
So you don't need to go to MT5.
Okay, can we go to the dashboard, the backend, and very quick?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so from here, the broker, once it's integrated with you, he will have a fully access to this. Maybe you walk through the process.
Walk through the process of
how the integrations do. You know, it's going to be the steps to do the integration. How we're going to move from A to Z.
Basically, it's super simple. From the broker's perspective, the connection to us is pretty much simple. Yeah. So we, if a brokerage company has our B2 core, then the front end is already installed. So we just need to have MT manager credentials, and that's it. MT manager credentials for B2Copy connection, and whitelists, yeah, for our backend service where our microservices are installed. If brokerage company doesn't have our B2 core, then we ask them to create some C names, yeah, and domains for front end and backend, admin panel, and for widgets, and we install it. And also MT manager whitelist. So it's super simple. It's 3 days setup. Yeah. No hassle here. And as a master, yeah. So we discussed the flow for investor. It's almost same for all PAMM and copy products. Yeah, for masters, it's opposite. It's a bit different. So when you want to become a master, first of all, if client already has his self-trading account with a brokerage company, he can ask a manager to create a master account from his existing account. In that case, all statistics will be generated on the fly. Yes, so he doesn't need to create a new one. But if he doesn't have a master account, he can go to My Accounts, choose a platform, choose account type. For example, it could be Pro, VIP. Usually it's the same. He click proceed. Oh, sorry. I accidentally skipped the step where I need to give a name to account and strategy description. Yeah, sorry for this. We will do it later on the settings page. Yeah, here he sets fees because it's not charity. Yeah, when you want to become a signal provider, you want to receive some money for it. Yeah, so you just set fees.
Of course.
Click proceed. You set a nickname. I will be Finance Magnate, and I just...
That will be Forex Live Signals. That will differ. It's part of the group.
Yeah, and Forex Magnate EA will be like, yeah, so it's robot. So I give a nickname, I give a user pick, and I make a deposit here. So basically I'm done. Like a master, I'm done. I did all things I need to manage my first investors. But as a master, I have more options than an investor do, because an investor usually just has a reset password button and that's it in his settings. As a master, I can change fee plans, I can change privacy settings, I can set minimum deposit. I don't want to see anybody copy my account with $100. I want to see only big investors with $10,000. Yes, so I can set minimum deposit. I can set a special promo offers for my friends and family. Yes, so so I usually have 15% daily. I will set 1% monthly for my friends and family with this promo code. And when my friends will be subscribing, they will receive 1% instead of 15. So masters, if they are, especially if they are IBs, especially if they do some educational courses, they can share special codes with their customers and promote that unique conditions, unique time frames when, if they subscribe, they will receive better conditions. They also can choose how many positions they want to show in trading on a trading statistics page. So they don't want to show all the statistics. They want to show last 50 positions. Okay, it's fine. Instead of 1,000, they will investors will see just 50. So,
which is more relevant in this case because I want to show what is the last thing I've been doing, the last 10 positions or 15 positions. It has more better reflecting my trading behavior in sense. Because a year ago, I used to lose a lot of money. So in a month or so, 1 month ago, I'm learning, I'm getting myself educated. So
all good stories starts with losing money. Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to my first courses also after losing $100. But before I made 200, yeah.
Once learned from his losses, I guess.
Yeah. Everything starts from here.
Okay, so this is the PAMM account, yeah?
That was trading, but all interfaces for all account types, in majority, it's almost same. Yeah, so you have a leaderboard where clients can find good masters. You have statistics page for each. By the way, you have statistics page for both, for masters and for investors as well. So if investor is subscribed to several masters and he has his own set of positions, yeah, he can see the return of his account here on his in his interface.
I think many brokers will be interested in the future where you can just from the exact dashboard come and create your own master account. You don't need that connection and send an email and come back and request a master account, and it's a big hassle. So from the dashboard, create my own master account, put my own terms, and then take it from there and go live. And as you said, then promote it as an IB or as an affiliate or as a white label, as a future, as a key future. You can follow me and get, I don't know, better trading conditions or less commission in this case.
Yep, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe we can go back to growth.
Yeah, if you want to. I mean, if you finish with the key future for the B2B copy, I see that it is, it is equipped and easy to use, very user friendly. It's a couple of clicks. So maybe we take the conversation, as you suggested, to something else. We dive deeper, if you don't mind, of course. Maybe you can explain how brokers, like myself, I'm a broker. We are not a broker. I'm just hypothetically saying we are a broker. How this effectively, I can use this effectively to drive the business growth that I was looking for. What the strategies you think is the most successful for me as a broker, or what would you recommend in this case?
Let's go back to slides. I have some suggestions for you.
Okay.
So let's have a math class, a small one. Yeah.
Yes.
So as soon as
we're not equations.
Yeah. As soon as we're not charity here, yeah. So growth for the brokerage company is when it has bigger profits. Higher turnovers drives the bigger profits, and more clients, longer lifetime, and bigger deposits drives higher turnover. Yeah, so we need to seek the solution: how to attract more clients, how to make just make them live longer for the lifetime, and how to help them to find the things they will be doing with you safer, so they can bring more money to you. Because it's either need to be super profitable, or it needs to be safe to attract bigger deposits. Yeah. So another small math class, just 1 minute, and then we go to interesting part. So better conversion, it's clear. Yeah, I mean, like better conversion, you have higher returns on marketing investments. You can invest more here because you have more clients. If you have a better retention, then you have lower churn, you have bigger lifetime value. And I suppose if you will just save just one idea from this webinar, it should be like about lower churn. I want to share with you one table. Let's just make some calculations here. For example, you as a company, you want to have 1,000 of active clients. We start from zero, yeah, so it's new brokerage company. And you have churn rate of 30%. You attract 200 customers monthly. So if you want to reach this 1,000 clients, you either need to bring more clients. So let's try to attract 50 more each month. No, you cannot reach it. Maybe 260. No. 300. 300 drives you to 1,000 clients, but in 2 years. And if you see here, with this churn rate, when clients survive with you just 3 months, you will not feel any growth after 1 year. And even after August 2024, yeah, if you start in January. So 30% churn rate, super high. So if you cannot save your clients with you anytime long, then you cannot grow. You cannot grow. So let's check if you can reach these 1,000 clients faster, or just not spending too much on our marketing, because we're a new company. Yeah. So let's try to decrease the churn rate. If you decrease it by 5%, you will receive 200 more customers. But this is 4 months. You just save your clients 1 month longer, then it helps you to grow to 800.
To have a high growth rate, yeah.
Yeah, if they survive 5 months, you reach your 1,000 clients without having like 50% more money spent on marketing.
Budgeting for marketing, yeah.
Yeah. But sorry, not 250. But if you be able to decrease it lower to 15%, or even lower, 14, 13, 12. It's 8 months. You can grow and grow and grow, and without making your budgets higher. So this is the way how you can grow your business much higher than it's possible without just looking for any solutions here. So if you can decrease your churn rate down, then it will help you to grow bigger. If your churn rate is high, no matter you attract 50 clients, 500 clients, 5,000 clients, whatever, yeah. So your growth will stop at one certain point. So this is a cap for you. If you can attract a lot of customers, it's good. It will help you to grow at the very beginning. But if you will not just make your churn rate low, you will have a cap super early, after 6 months, 5 months, 7 months. Yeah. So you see, this is a cap.
So the objective as a business will be, the driving strategy will be trying to lower the churn rate rather than pouring money on the problem and trying to attract as many leads as client as possible. The focus should be on actually the churn, and how we do that now. Let's help me first as a broker how to do that. Yes.
We start first with attraction of new clients, yeah, with this point, and then at the second step we will go to managing the churn rate, because it's a different point. So let's start from attracting new clients, yeah, how the copy trading can attract new clients, and then we go to churn rate. And I also see a lot of questions about technologies, so yeah, we see them, we will go to them in 20 minutes. Okay. So yeah, so
this is here, we get the equations. Yeah, mathematically is check. Yes, more client, longer lifetime, bigger deposits.
I like mathematics because it's pretty much clean. Yeah, what you need to do, because higher turnover, you need more clients, longer lifetime, and bigger deposits. So we start with clients, then longer lifetime, then bigger deposits. Step by step, we will grow your company higher. Okay. Because if you don't attract any clients, it doesn't make any difference what churn you have. Yeah, if you have 0 clients, you can you have 0% churn. It's perfect, but you don't have any clients. Yeah, so you need to have some client base to manage churn. So we start from attracting clients, then lowering churn rate, helping them to survive here, and then making bigger deposits.
Okay, so the key is investing in the right tools in this case. Yes.
Yeah. So let's start with better marketing.
Yes, and start with better marketing.
Yeah, I personally consider the marketing of all brokerage companies like super boring, because I mean, like, everybody has same trading terminals. Yeah, you have MT5, MT4, you have CTrader, maybe you have trading view as interfaces for the trading, making trading operations and technical analysis, but all other trading terminals is almost not popular. Yeah, so that for brands just keeping the majority of market share in trading terminals. So everybody has same trading terminals. You cannot stand out if you want. Everybody has same trading instruments. Okay, in 2017, cryptos was like booming. They were new. Not everybody had them, but now everybody has the same set of trading instruments. Everybody, yeah. So you have FX, stocks, metals, cryptos. Everybody has same instruments. Everybody tell that their clients that they have low spreads and small commissions, so it's cheap to trade with them. And everybody has their own trading courses. So if you see, you cannot stand out in competition with any of that points. And if you are offering just trading accounts, you don't have any other points. So basically, the brand of a company is the thing that makes difference. But I mean, like, I just even made some slides for it, yeah, for illustration. it's the Adidas sneakers, and this is the collaboration with Louis Vuitton and Supreme. This is the value of just adding brand to the same model of sneakers. And brand is not something that you can just build in 1 month. You cannot just tell your marketing, hey, John, here is $1,000 or $10,000. Please make a brand which can compete with, I don't know, FX Pro, XNS, whatever other company you
I
name.
feel that example is 100% accurate, and it's a real life example. There's many out there that say, John, come here, here's a 10K. I need this and this and that, and I need my brand to stand out. I need my unique. Without adding
even
the
if you bring $1
future,
million, even if you bring $1 million, you cannot do it in 1 month. You cannot do it in 3 months. I mean, like that companies are doing it for years, and they invested a lot in their brand awareness and brand reputation. So it's not something you can do neither cheap, neither like fast. So you cannot compete with it if you don't have it. So you need to be smarter. You need to just differentiate with something else except brand. So you cannot compete with small spreads and commissions. You need to have it. I cannot say that you don't need to have small commissions and popular trading terminals to attract customers. But it's not something which you can just stand out in front of competition. So this is why copy trading, PAMM and MAM can help you to attract, just to address your messages to a broader audience, to those who will never come to trade with you because they don't want to trade. And this is a kind of product that can help you to unlock new ideas to for marketing, communications, and attract clients with something else. So basically, I consider all participants here in managed account services like copy trading, PAMM and MAM in 3 different categories. First, beginners. Second, investors, and pro traders. So 3 major groups of customers, and I will show you 2 different approaches how to build, how to find the proper messages for them. First, I will start with fears and pains, and then for pro traders, I just used another approach, just to use different intrinsic motivation drives. Intrinsic motivation, it's something not material. I mean, like, it's not about money, it's about something else, something that drives people. So you just can read about it, check the list of intrinsic motivation drives, and just tap into them. So let's start with beginners. Just feel how it's different from the low spreads. Everybody seeks for low spreads and instruments, but basically when they start trying to become a trader, they need to read books, maybe just watch webinars, whatever. I mean, like, it's just examples. But with copy trading, you don't need to do it anymore. If you don't like it, if you are not passionate with it, so don't read books, go invest. You don't have experience, these guys has. So you don't need to spend 3 years of your life for I don't know, advanced mathematics, programming languages, something like that, or trading by yourself. Don't have experience, these guys has. You take a look on his chart. Past 6 months or 1 year, he was trading in profit, so that's great. Give him money, take a rest. You don't have time, you need to go to, I don't know, to just spend it with your family because your marriage is ruined. No need to spend it here, So just, this is the way how you can spend 5 minutes per day for trading activities, You just copy trades from that guy, he trades for you, you just watch it daily, because you don't need to spend here a lot of time, you can just place loss limit to your account. So it's not online monitoring. You worried because your strategy will not work or is not working because trend changed? No worries. You see That guy in leaderboard, he traded successfully past 2 years. Trend changed 2 times during that time. So it's totally fine. Sorry, can you hear me right now? Because
Yeah, it's okay. No, there was a slight cut off, but we're good.
we are
The
good.
key
Yeah.
here is if you don't want to watch videos and read courses, this is the thing is for you. If you have no experience in trading or you've never been trading, you know, this is your first time as a trader, this is the right tool will be for your client. I know many people have a full-time job that doesn't have the time, doesn't want to sit in front of the PC and make sure everything is running the chart and watching the news. And this is one of the things. And lastly, which is I think it's mostly important for me, it's lack of discipline, which is a lot of traders out there, new, pro, and mid-range traders, they do fall for this, the lack of discipline.
Yeah, not everybody is suitable for the trading itself, by themselves, because sometimes it's like a gambling. I see this word in chat, but I cannot read it right now. Some people consider trading like a gambling, so they cannot just cope with their like internal drives to just open a trade, hold it, something like that. Just remove the stop loss and etc. So not everybody can be disciplined. Not everybody can trade, and it's fine. They can do anything else. They can be awesome at their day job, but they cannot just trade here. So, and also you can, for the beginners, because this is the beginners section, so you also can promote it not only from the fears and pains point of view, you also can promote it like another approach for learning how to trade, because you copy positions. You can see it as an investor in your trading terminal. So we can reverse engineer how that strategy providers make their decisions, where they open positions, where they place stop losses, where they just close their positions, how they analyze the market. You can just reverse engineer it. So it's super approach, so second, audience.
Yes, top investors, not only for traders.
Because basically, just for example, my wife, she is not a trader. I mean, like, she doesn't want to read book, watch videos, whatever, open trading terminal, but she is an expert in her job. She has money. I mean, like, she earning good money on her job. He can invest. She can invest, and she's interested in just making her money work. So she cannot.
Seems like she paid you to say
trade
that.
instruments on her own, but she can, she can be an investor. And I suppose a lot of people who is clicking to your advertising in internet, same, because they are interested in financial markets. So you show your advertising to them, but they are not traders. They spend each time they are interested in watching advertising, they spend your $15, $20, $30, but they will not buy from you if you have nothing to offer to that audience who doesn't want to trade. So what they can fear, maybe market volatility. They're afraid of just placing trades in storms, or just investing in that high volatility markets, like is happening each 2, 3, 5 years. They're afraid of market volatility, but you can offer to manage that market volatility with expert vision from traders, because they survive through it. And usually during high market volatility, traders earn extra faster than in any other period. Afraid of losing money, place a risk link. Afraid of losing opportunity, experts are working for you. You can find them in the leaderboard. You are not familiar with Bitcoin, Ethereum, I don't know, any other crypto which you don't know yet. That guys can trade, and you can find them in leaderboard and check their trading instruments. So maybe if you just go through the leaderboard through popular traders, profitable traders, maybe some of them are trading with super unique trading instruments, and you can build portfolio not only from those who trade in gold and euro USD. Like major instruments. You also can build add to your portfolio those who trade some random unpopular instruments, which you don't know how to trade at all, which names are not exist right now, but will exist in 3 months from now.
Yeah, there's also the long-term strategy. Many of the investors are always, they have double thinking about the long terms.
Yeah, and basically it's not sorry, and it's not the only things you can not only messages that you can just create. Yeah, there are a lot of them. You can ask ChatGPT which fears and pairs beginners have. You wouldn't believe me, but AI now works better than some marketers that I know. I mean, like, you can find out hundreds of different slogans and points where you can just
we did have a webinar last week exactly about AI tools and tradings and how that helps traders these days, which is another thing that I like to mention. It was a very interesting. We saw many examples of how actually traders can go and like prompt, and in some cases there was like some real time working methods. The AI tool is advancing in trading.
For the marketing as well, you just need to go deeper, a bit deeper. Yeah, maybe just to ask this AI to be just to give him a role. Yeah, that he's making articles or ads or banners, whatever. You just need to be good at prompting. Yeah, but once you can go. Please just imagine that you are the marketer. Give me 20 things. Are you sure that this is the only thing that you can give me? And etc. Yeah, maybe some other fears that they can experience. No, and you're asking, and you're building the group of ideas, and then you can use it, and that's awesome. That's super fast. I mean, like, you can just build a great marketing campaign much faster, much more interesting than this. This is the most boring that people can see in the internet, and you can find out hundreds of ideas, at least dozens, maybe not hundreds. Yeah, like, we are people, human pieces, we are limited with our fears and etc. But maybe dozens you can find out pretty much fast and to make your campaigns outstanding.
Okay.
And
how about last thing?
Huh?
Okay. I was going to ask you about, but yes, let's move on to the last thing that you want to mention.
Yeah. The best thing, not the last one. Last one, but the best is that copy trading has no legacy. I mean, like, when it comes to building the brand, it takes you years. When it comes to building a good leaderboard, it takes you months. Or maybe you have these traders, so you can just offer your existing clients to become signal providers. So you can populate your leaderboard pretty much fast. And you can compete with other companies immediately without waiting for years, without spending hundreds of thousands of dollars for some brand awareness campaigns. Yeah. So you can do it super fast without waiting, without spending fortunes.
Yeah, in the marketing, they call it the unique selling point, which it's you already have what everybody's have. What you're looking for is your unique selling point, and Sergey is suggesting that this is the selling point that you guys are looking for, which is by having a ready-to-go platform with customizable and very good interface, I would say, in a UI UX wise. I want to see how these tools, we know it's going to be very beneficial for brokers and for traders, for both as well. Looking ahead, seeing the future, what is going to be the next for B2Copy? What is the excitement or any updates that you want to share? Any new future? Maybe the broker should keep an eye
on. First of all, the recent future. Yeah, I mean, like in 2 weeks, we are going to change the entire interface for our solution. So
Perfect.
now you see what you see. In 2 weeks, it will look like this. So we are having the biggest release we've ever made for B2Copy in the beginning of October. Yes, so approximately on 10th of October, maybe faster, we will release the new version of interface, which will look like this. So stay tuned, ask us for demo, and we will show it this interface live to you. We are going to make new widgets and which will be easier for integration and API packages for just like seamless integration to other CRMs. So companies will be able to just add our solution to their existing CRMs faster and cheaper than it was any possible before. So yeah, plus multi-platform copying. That's free main points. Yeah, so multi-platform copying is when you can just create a master account on CTrader and get copied from MT5 or MT4 and vice versa. Yeah, so new platforms, again, multi-server copying, maybe multi-brokerage copying. So yeah, but it's not so near future.
A lot to look for.
Copying, new interfaces, yeah, new widget sets and APIs. That's just the recent feature. Of course, we do like some small developments here, but it's those
and these stages of the phases of the developer that you announce it every time and then yes on your website.
Yeah. In website and social medias, always announcing that we are having a release. Sometimes we don't announce it, for the small things. We do it faster, but all major things we announce it on our website and articles. Yeah, so if you subscribe to our Telegram channel or emails, you will learn everything we do. Yeah.
Amazing. I guess there's a lot to look forward with B2B, B2Copy.
Thank you very much for your activity, for your questions, Ramsey. It was awesome.
Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Sergey, and wishing everyone a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.